welcome to the next video of Bro and Sis World. But today it's just the sis. Today we're going to learn how to roller skate. And it's for beginners just like you. Tip number 1. So you're very excited and you just put on your roller skates and you crash into a problem right away. It's how to get up. So as you might notice, one of the roller skates have a brake and one of them don't. So you get the one that doesn't have the brake, and the last wheel, you're gonna just roll it on the ground up like that. But for the one that does have the brake, you're gonna lift it up and then bring it in, and then just use the help of your arms to just get up.
I got you.
Tip number 2. So you get up, but then you fall. That just sucks. You keep falling and falling and falling. So the tip number 2 is learning how to balance. So you can have 2 people on your sides, just make them hold your hands and just try balancing. And then once you're ready and confident, then you can tell them to let go and then try bouncing like that. And another thing you can do is have an object beside you, just hold on to it. And then again, once you're confident, you can let go. Tip number 3. So now that you can balance, you want to catch some speed. So let someone take your hand again.
I got you.
And let them glide you in front. So all jokes aside, it's basically just when someone takes your hand and then you just let them pull you so you can glide, and then let them let go so you can glide yourself. Tip number 4. So now that you can glide but with someone and you're bored of it, then in tip number 4, I'm going to teach you how to glide by yourself. So you're going to get one of your feet and then you're going to place it diagonally, not too much, just a bit about like that. And then you're going to push off with it and glide like that. Tip number 5. So you're going and you're going and you're going and you can't stop. So tip number 5 is learning how to brake. So as you see, there's one way to brake is using this brake on your roller skate. And it's only on one of them. So if you're going, you're going to basically lift your foot up like that so your brake slides on the ground. So let's do it again. You're going to go and you're going to brake like that. So now we're going to learn the second way on how to brake. So it's called the pizza stop because it's basically when you put your feet like that and it's in the shape of a pizza, like a triangle. So all you're going to do is when you go, you're going to stop like that. So you're basically going to move your heels outwards to just make it go from this to this. Tip number 6. Now we're going to learn the real way on how to roller skate. And as you might be thinking, tip number 4 was how to roller skate. Actually, that was gliding if you weren't paying attention to the title. So basically, you put your foot outwards and then you push off from it. And then you put this foot outwards and you push off from that foot. And then you do that multiple times. Now you know how to roller skate. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, share, subscribe. Hope you liked it. Bye!